Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify hierarchy in landing page hero sections with Webflow detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Webflow project and navigating to the landing page you want to work on. Locate the hero section in your page layout. Click on the hero section to select it. Familiarize yourself with the structure of the hero section in the navigator panel. Identify the main elements within the hero section, such as headings, subheadings, and images. Ensure that the main heading is the first element within your hero section for proper hierarchy. Select the main heading and check its settings in the Style panel. Confirm that the element is set to a Heading 1 tag for maximum SEO relevance. Next, look at the subheading elements in your hero section. Select the subheading and ensure it's using a Heading 2 tag. This maintains a clear hierarchy for both users and search engines. If there are any additional text elements, ensure they are set to paragraph tags. Verify that the images in the hero section serve a purpose and add relevance to the content. Check if the alt text for images is descriptive and relevant. This aids in both SEO and accessibility. Once you confirm the hierarchy, consider the spacing and alignment of the elements. Ensure there is enough padding around your headings to make them visually appealing. Use flexbox or grid settings to align elements neatly within the hero section. Preview your landing page to assess the visual hierarchy and flow. Check for responsiveness by viewing the page on different screen sizes. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure consistency across devices. After verifying all elements, save your changes in Webflow. Publish the changes to see the updated hero section live. Review the published landing page to ensure the hierarchy is functional and visually engaging. This completes your verification of hierarchy in the landing page hero section using Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.